Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make non-alcoholic tiramisu. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including quality mascarpone cheese, fresh eggs, and crisp ladyfingers. Next, prepare a robust decaffeinated coffee or espresso to soak the ladyfingers. Then, we'll craft a luscious, creamy filling using egg yolks, sugar, and that wonderful mascarpone. Finally, we'll layer everything beautifully for a delightful dessert. Let's start by brewing about 1.5 cups of strong decaffeinated coffee or espresso, then let it cool completely. Next, carefully separate 6 egg yolks, reserving the whites for another recipe if you wish. Whisk these egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale, thick, and beautifully fluffy. Finally, gently fold in 8 ounces of creamy mascarpone cheese until just combined, creating a smooth, rich base. Now for the fun part, assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into your cooled decaffeinated coffee, ensuring they're moist but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these soaked ladyfingers snugly in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Then, spread about 1/2 of your luscious mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers, finishing with a generous top layer of the creamy mixture. Almost there, once your tiramisu is fully assembled, cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap. It's crucial to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but for the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling it overnight. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, simply slice into individual portions and savor this wonderfully rich, non-alcoholic tiramisu. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.